Hello students, yesterday we have studied decimal representation of rational and irrational numbers. Today we'll be studying to find rational and irrational numbers between two given numbers. Now as we have seen yesterday that the rational numbers are those numbers which will have either terminating decimal representation or non-terminating repeating decimal representation. Terminating decimal representation, for example, 2.5, 3.75, and non-terminating repeating decimal, for example, 4.666 and so on, or 3.7575 and so on. So these types of numbers are called rational numbers. Similarly, irrational numbers, they have non-terminating, non-repeating decimal representation. For example, as we have seen yesterday, root 2 is equal to and root 3 is equal to. All these were irrational numbers in which the digits do not repeat. Now let us find rational numbers between 3 and 4. So you can see on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have represented it, and in between 3 and 4 you can have infinite number of rational and irrational numbers. Let us take an example of rational number 3.5, 3.7, 3.75, etc., etc. So you can write infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4, starting from 3.1, 3.15, 3.18, etc. Similarly, if you are asked to find irrational numbers between 3 and 4, then you can start irrational number from 3.5. Let us start. So 3.5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you may say that the digits are repeating, 5 and 1 are repeating, but you can see that the order is not repeating. Here 1 is occurring once, twice, thrice and 4 times and so on. So there is a pattern, but the numbers are not exactly repeating. The pattern is repeating, but the block is not repeating. So you can say that we cannot draw a bar on 5, 1 because 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1 is not repeating. So this type of number is an irrational number. You can start another number from 3.7, 4, 6, 8, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 8. Now here what type of number we have taken? We are taking the digits that are not repeating in any order. So these are irrational numbers between the numbers 3 and 4. Similarly, you can find infinite irrational numbers between 3 and 4, and you can also find infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4.